Think an oil change is as simple as drain and fill? Think again. Making mistakes during an oil change can lead to catastrophic engine damage. But don't worry, today we are going to discuss 13 common oil change mistakes, how to avoid them, and the perfect oil change schedule. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Using the wrong oil. First up, using the wrong type of oil. Imagine pouring syrup into your engine. It's not going to work, right? The same goes for oil viscosity. Every engine has specific requirements for oil type and viscosity. Using oil that's too thick or too thin can lead to poor lubrication, overheating, or increased wear. Simple fix. Always check your owner's manual or consult a trusted mechanic for the right oil specification. Mistake number 2, overfilling or underfilling the oil. Overfilling the oil creates excess pressure in the engine, which can damage seals and gaskets, leading to leaks. Underfilling leaves vital components unlubricated, increasing friction and overheating, potentially causing catastrophic failure. It is recommended to use a dipstick to check the oil level after filling and ensure the oil level is right between the min and max markers. Mistake number 3, not replacing the oil filter. Skipping the filter change is like putting clean water into a dirty coffee maker. Disgusting, right? A clogged filter means dirty oil circulates back through your engine. A clogged filter restricts oil flow, forcing the engine to work harder and reducing lubrication. Simple fix. Replace your oil filter with every oil change to ensure clean oil circulates through the engine. Mistake number 4, neglecting to tighten the drain plug properly. Be careful with that drain plug. If the drain plug is too loose, oil can leak out, leading to low oil levels and engine failure. Over-tightening might feel secure, but it can bend the threads in the oil pan or crack it entirely, requiring costly repairs. Use a torque wrench to tighten the drain plug and tighten it according to the manufacturer's specified torque. Mistake number 5, ignoring the recommended oil change interval. A delay in oil change according to the manufacturer's instructions allows oil to degrade, becoming sludgy and less effective at lubricating your engine. But changing it too often? You're wasting money. Most vehicles require oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but this varies based on oil type and driving conditions. Check your owner's manual. Mistake number 6, changing oil when the engine is cold. Draining cold oil takes longer and doesn't remove all the contaminants, as they tend to settle when the oil cools. Simple fix. Run your engine for 5 to 10 minutes before draining the oil to ensure it flows out easily and completely. Mistake number 7, over-tightening the oil filter. Next up is a mistake even experienced DIYers make: over-tightening the oil filter. Over-tightening can damage the filter's rubber seal, causing leaks. In extreme cases, it can make the filter nearly impossible to remove during the next oil change. A good rule of thumb is hand tightening it, then giving it another quarter turn. Mistake number 8, forgetting to replace the oil cap. Forgetting to secure the oil cap can cause oil to splash out and contaminants to enter the engine. Simple fix. Double check that the oil cap is tightened before closing the hood. Mistake number 9, using old or opened oil. Oil that's been sitting for years or has been left open can degrade or collect moisture. Always use fresh, unopened bottles of oil for optimal performance. Mistake number 10, changing the oil on an uneven surface. When your vehicle isn't level, the oil doesn't drain completely, leaving behind old, contaminated oil. This dilutes the fresh oil, reducing its effectiveness and potentially leading to sludge buildup. Always use a level surface or ramps designed for oil changes. Mistake number 11, adding oil without draining the old oil. Simply topping off oil without draining the old oil can lead to overfilling, sludge buildup, and poor engine performance. Always drain old oil completely before adding fresh oil. Mistake number 12, forgetting to lubricate the oil filter gasket. Installing the filter without lubricating the rubber gasket can cause the rubber to stick, twist, or not seat properly. Simple fix. Apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the oil filter gasket before installation to ensure a proper seal. Mistake number 13, not checking for leaks after the oil change. It is very important to check your car for oil leaks after the oil change. Skipping this step can lead to unnoticed leaks that result in oil loss and engine damage. After finishing the oil change, start the engine and check under the car for any signs of leaking. By avoiding these 13 mistakes, you'll save money, keep your engine running smoothly, and extend its lifespan. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more car tips and maintenance hacks. See you in the next video.